IMG member ka na? Pero tanong, complete ka na ba? Or nasa learning stage ka pa lang? Marami nag-join sa IMG dahil gusto nilang matuto paano i-handle ang kanilang pera. Natuto ka na siguro about saving, investing, budgeting, financial planning. And that's the big first step. But here's the truth. Financial education without execution is just an information. Kaya maraming IMG members ang educated but hindi pa protected. At dito nagsisimula ang transition from IMG member to Kaiser policyholder. Hindi ito upgrade lang. Ito ang pag-apply ng natutunan mo. There is the 3 steps of transition. Step number 1. From awareness to action. Hindi sapat na alam mo lang ang mga financial concepts. Kailangan mong i-apply ang mga natutunan mo. Ito yung moment na lilipat ka from learning to doing. Knowledge is power, but applied knowledge builds security. Step number 2. Building your solid financial foundation. Kaiser helps you to turn knowledge into real financial plan. Dahil ang Kaiser ang unang step para makabuo ka ng solid financial foundation. Instead of hiwa-hiwalay na products, may system ka na agad na nagkukumbine ng healthcare, protection, and investment. Hindi ka magsisimula sa gitna. Magsisimula ka sa tamang pundasyon. Step number 3. Becoming financially prepared, not just financially aware. Kasi kahit gaano kakagaling mag-budget, isang medical emergency lang, pwedeng magpabago ng lahat. Financial education makes you aware. Kaiser helps make you prepared. Prepared ka sa medical emergency, long-term future, and retirement years. Maraming tao ang nag-i-invest muna bago magpundasyon. Kaya kapag may emergency, pipilitang mag-withdraw, mangutang, o mag-reset. Don't build wealth on a weak foundation. Build protection first. Hindi mo kailangan maging mayaman bago ka magsimula. Pero kailangan mong magsimula para maging financially secure. Your journey doesn't end in learning. It starts when you take action. If you're an IMG member at ready ka nang mag-level up, comment ready or send me a message. I will guide you step by step from being financially educated to becoming financially protected.